Valentine's Day is coming up fast, but there is still plenty of time for you to spice up your home with the spirit of love. This Valentine's Day, paper heart door hanging is precious and so easy to make. Are you ready? Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. In this video, I will be showing you to make very easy DIY paper heart door garland for Valentine's Day. Or you can use this heart garland on birthday, Diwali for home decorations. It's perfect for all occasions. Please make sure to subscribe my channel by clicking the red subscribe button and also make sure to click the bell so that you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also give this video a big thumbs up. For this you will need. Don't forget to watch this video till the end to follow the step-by-step instruction that will make your craft very simple and easy. So let's get started. Take colored paper. Here I use red paper cut in 4 sections. Now take one part of the colored paper and fold it into half. Press it this way. Repeat with the remaining pieces of paper. Now, with the help of pencil, draw the shape of heart. Repeat once again. This way. It will look this way. Now, with the help of scissors, cut the paper to form a heart shape. You can make different size of heart as per to your desire. Friends, you can find more interesting and similar videos on this channel. For this, you can click the I button on the top or link is in the description below. Here you can see we have 2 different styles of hearts. Keep on repeating with the remaining papers, and if you want you can add more colors to it. You can arrange it as per to your wish. Here I am going to arrange this way: sky blue, red, yellow. Now take sky blue heart and give a cut below this way. Repeat with the yellow heart in the same way. Now arrange them by overlapping this way. Now take white glue and paste it. This way. Repeat in the same way. Looking so beautiful. Keep on repeating in the same way to make a beautiful heart garland. For more Valentine's craft, keep watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and hit the bell button next to it so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now take the red heart and paste it on the top of sky blue heart. Yellow on red. Sky blue on yellow. Keep on repeating the remaining hearts. It has come out so beautiful and I am sure your loved ones will love it once decorated in room. Hope this video was very helpful. If you are recreating it, please do send me picture on Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. Give a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for your support and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.